Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chatbot in education. Myself, Professor Asifullah Khan from DCSPS. The outline of this talk is as such. So we are going to discuss the importance of a chatbot in education, features of a chatbot, and some chatbot conversation examples, the development details of the software, and the nominal budget. So chatbot is basically a computer program designed to make conversation with human users. We can roughly say that machines that can talk like humans are considered as chatbots. Now, types of a chatbot. We have technique-based categorization, that is rule-based and intelligence system end-to-end deep learning models. And we have the domain-based categorization, that is specific application-based categorization like closed domain and open domain chatbots. Now, what are the big models and companies associated with chatbots? Pearl AI from Facebook, BERT from Google, Hugging Face is another framework, GPT, very famous from Google, BlenderBot again from Facebook, and then Mina again from Google. If we consider the applications of a chatbot, there are numerous applications specifically in education, in healthcare, media and entertainment, retail and e-commerce. And if we talk about its applications in education, so first we consider the current issues in provision of information to students. Whenever we want to give information to students rapidly and quickly, so we do face some problems in the traditional system. So let's see what the chatbot can offer in this particular context. We know that information needed by the student has to be provided timely and efficiently, and traditional methods are time consuming, tedious and unreliable. So students have to wait a long time for a response. Sometimes help might not be available, and students do not know who to ask. So during admission phase, answering the very same series of questions every year becomes tedious, and thus this demands for college chatbot. Chatbot in education. A chatbot can act as a teacher assistant. It is available 24/7 to answer the questions. And the most important thing is that it has the attribute that it can interact with multiple students at the same time. So chatbot in education, uh, we need to know the AI role in education as far as chatbots are concerned. So it can be very helpful in the following aspects. It can give useful tips to students, give additional material, analyze student performance, and even track course activities. Chatbot in education continued. So we can say that an academic chatbot could provide advantages in the higher education sector. For example, at the admission phase, in start of any academic year, newly enrolled students have a long list of queries. For example, what are college timings, where is the gym, when does the library opens, and so on and so forth. So the salient features of a college chatbot could be, for example, it gives an instant response, has no time bound, that is, it works 24/7, and the same question can be asked again and again, and the chatbot is going to answer those questions. It guides students to correct information sources, creates a more streamlined process for info exchange, and gives updates about exam activities and events. Now let's see some conversation examples by the chatbot. Example 1, chatbot, hello, welcome to our student portal. How may I help you? And the student says, I want to join the football team. So where can I find the application form? And the chatbot replies, the football team is inviting freshers to join them for this match season. Here is an application you can fill out to apply, and the link is provided. And the student says, all right. And the chatbot further says, may I help you with anything else? And the student says, no, that will do. Thanks. Example 2, chatbot says, hey, welcome to our college portal chatbot. Please choose one of the below: enrollments, payments, campus, exam, timetable, IT support, personal arena, about us. And the student says, I want to know the schedule of my timetable. The chatbot says, here is your yearly timetable, and the link is provided. Now, since we are talking about developing a chatbot software, so the development phases for this particular software are as such: we need to plan, analyze, design, and then implement it, and then even think about the maintenance. The programming language that we are using is Python because of its diversity, the machine learning support that it gives. The available frameworks are Flask, Django, API-based workflow. The most important thing is data set generation. That is, we need to build the knowledge base. So data set generation, how it is particularly generated, and how the question answer are mapped through AI-based deep neural network techniques. Now, in context of Pakistan and specifically the education sector, the benefits of a college chatbot in Pakistan are as such: it can enhance the education standard, can increase student performance, can impact the view of parents regarding college standards, helps institutions improve their customer service performance, can increase the student enrollment, can also enhance the student satisfaction level, and can enhance the standards of information exchange. It can even predict student performance in exams. The nominal budget that we are planning is uh, initial cost is 2.5 lakh, near to 2.5 lakh, and monthly charges are 10K. And we are also going to give you a software demonstration because we have built a prototype chatbot software for the frequently asked questions of students related to discrete mathematics course, and we will be demonstrating both the mobile and web-based applications.
Okay, so here is a short demo of our chatbot application. This is the home page, and this is our team. Okay, so I will log in to my account, and I will jump over to the chatting page and ask any question regarding to discrete mathematics. Okay, it's giving me it is giving me a definition of a set, and what is function. A function is defined as this and great. um, what is algorithm? Since our model is trained on discrete mathematics, so I will ask only the question related to discrete mathematics, and this is the demo of how our chatbot will work. And now we will give you a demo of a mobile application.
Okay, so here's the icon we have built for our chatbot app Sthoray, which is a discrete math chatbot, and you'll be welcomed with a splash screen showing the title of the app by clicking on it. Now, if you've already made an account, you can just log in with the details that you have provided during registration, but if you haven't, you can just click on the sign up and provide the given details. You give your phone number. Okay, remember, if you have already logged in with the same Gmail, you can't use it again. You have to use a new one, so we are going to just go with X08 for now. Now you have successfully registered. Now you can just log in with the same username and password that you have registered with. Oh, I forgot the O. Now, upon logging in, you will be welcomed with the dashboard. Here you can have your navigation bar as well. You will be shown with your Gmail ID that you have logged in with. But you can just go to your profile and check in your details that you have provided during the registration. Now, if you want to update, you can click on the update icon, and you can update anything you want. For example, you can just update the phone number. You can just update your Gmail ID. or your full name, even your username or password, and here we go. And now you'll be just provided with the updated details. Now you can just go back to your dashboard and click on the discrete math chatbot, and you can go to your discrete math chatbot. Here you're gonna be chatting with your Sthoray chatbot that will provide you with the basic answers regarding the discrete mathematics. You can just ask anything related to discrete mathematics and it will provide you with the best detailed answer. And for now we have worked with the detailed answers as for our data set in the backend, but soon we will have short answers as well. Okay, so that's how you can connect with and communicate with your Sthoray chatbot that we have built for discrete app. You can go back to your dashboard as you want. You can just log out of your menu bar, and yes, that's basically it.